Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a dump of a MongoDB database. So it's a very easy and simple process. First of all, we'll go to our folder, project folder. Uh, we'll we'll have a bin folder in our project folder. We'll go there, open our command prompt, just write down mongo dump. This will create a dump of your database in your bin folder. It is compulsory that you go to the bin folder only then this command will run up mongodb dump. If you want to run this command outside your bin folder in the project folder, then it will not run. You'll have to go to the bin folder only and run this command mongo dump, and it will create a dump of your database. Here is my dump of database. You can paste it over here and push it to your GitHub repository if you want to. Thanks.